So I thought we'd do just a quick update video to show how things have been going here over the last 12 or 13 days since the last video we did, and things really have taken off. Everything's growing a lot faster now than I thought it was going to. It was a lot slower before, but now it's doing really good. As you can see, all the roots look good, and we've got 6 different varieties of lettuce growing. And I just set them over here, a couple, 2 of each, just to show everybody what we're doing. But yeah, I think here in a couple of weeks we'll have some stuff headed to the stores. So the microgreens have been growing really well, and we've got a couple of different places that we're selling those to now. And one place in Sturgis, grocery Mart, and then the bee's knees and spearfish, so you can pick those up if you want to try some. So yeah, it's looking pretty good, even though it's cold and snowy outside. It's nice and warm in here, and things are growing well. So the way that all this is going to work is a little bit different than what I had originally planned, but the seeds are going to start down on that end, and as they get bigger they move up to this end in the middle. They'll get moved over to one side or the other because there's half as many holes in those grafts as in these, so they have a little bit more room to grow. They'll go back down to the other end and then eventually swapped over to the big bed. And so just in this middle row right now, we have enough lettuce to fill half of the big bed once it gets a little bit bigger. So that's kind of how it's going to work. It's a little bit confusing, and but as we go here, it'll make a lot more sense, and we'll be able to kind of show that. But there's, I believe, around 1,500 heads of lettuce just in that middle row so far. So yeah, it's a lot of lettuce.
That's the air compressor.
The air compressor is on again. So we found out that cilantro does really well in aquaponic systems, and so we planted a bunch of cilantro because it's one of my favorite things to eat. But anyway, this is the one that I showed you in the last video, and now it's just absolutely huge. The roots look really good, and it's doing well. So I think we're gonna plant quite a bit more of that. So that's all we got. Thanks for watching, and talk to you later.